Hello everyone, welcome back to Where We Are. Today we have Sejal Patel, founder of Slade Rope. So Sejal, how are you today?
I'm fine.
And can you introduce us to Slade Rope?
Okay. So Slade Robe is a clothing brand, and I've started Slade Robe last year. And right now I'm working on my summer collection. I started Slade Robe with a motive of that people should feel confident in whatever they are wearing. So my first drop was about singers. Like people nowadays, I don't think any person spends a day without listening to music.
Right.
So I thought of starting with something different. So I started with lyrics on T-shirts, but the lyrics that will make you feel confident. Like my first drop was ever since I was a kid, I've been legit. It was Weekend's lyrics. So that was my first drop. So I'm trying more and exploring more in this.
Great. So have you always been inclined towards fashion, creativity or business?
Yeah, talking about fashion, I did fashion designing for a year, and I was really interested in doing more in it. But there were some institute issues, so I couldn't continue there. But fashion is something I love doing. I love dressing up, and also I always had this thing in mind that I want to own a fashion brand.
Nice. So ये Slade Rope का आइडिया कैसे आया?
सो इट वाज लाइक कि हमारा समर का हॉलीडेज चल रहा था एंड आई वांटेड टू स्टार्ट माय फैशन ब्रांड एंड उसके बाद आई थॉट कि व्हाई डू आई इवन वेट कि मुझे बाद में स्टार्ट करना है माय प्लान वाज कि आई स्टार्ट आफ्टर फोर्थ ईयर देन आई वाज लाइक कि if I have time right now I can start and I can build up as an audience from third year itself so it's better I start right now and then I started researching about fashion design clothing brand and everything and also I I'm an influencer too. So I knew that I have some audience so that I can get them and get my brand a good audience too. So I just started it.
That's nice. I mean, why should you wait when you can do it
Right.
right now? So at what point did you think this can actually become a business?
So when I started my fashion brand, we had this stall set up in our college. So I had my stall in college. It was for Expo, and at that time there were many people coming to my stall. They were getting attracted to the t-shirts I had hung up there. Also, there were many clubs who approached me for their clubs merch and all.
Okay.
So I had a good contact with them too. So I thought ki maybe yeah this is going towards right direction. Also, people loved the idea of lyrics, the song wala thing I added. So I thought ki yeah it is gonna do well. So
Great. And what market gap were you trying to solve by Slade Rope?
market gap, I would say when I go to buy t-shirt online, I have seen ki prices are extremely high. Like for a basic t-shirt, you're charging a really high amount. So I thought maybe I can work on this thing. And also the tagline that my brand has, it's for the bold, for the worthy. So that thing that when you wear this outfit, you feel like, oh my god, I'm feeling bold, I'm feeling confident. Like there's one more drop. It's about hoodie. The print is they sleep, you grind.
Okay.
So that's the type of quote I am using. So you can wear it, you can feel it, and you can show people that yeah, I'm wearing something very confident. I feel confident.
Nice. And how did you come up with this name, Slade Rope?
Slate. So there's a funny thing behind it. I wanted something that matches my initial S, and also Drobe is from wardrobe.
Wardrobe.
And slay, again, there's a tagline mein hai for the bold, for the worthy. You have to slay in the outfit you wear. So slay Drobe. I
Great.
just did that.
Great. So can you walk us through the process from understanding the client's need to the final product?
Okay. So starting off with if my target audience were Gen Zs. So I'll take example of my music album thing. So the target audience Gen Zs, they listen to music a lot nowadays.
Right.
And also you people feel the lyrics nowadays. It's like कि तुम बस सुन नहीं रहे हो song को, you're feeling it. So understanding that thing and then उसके बाद wearing those lyrics and उसके बाद I got to know कि हाँ this is what people wear, they will love this after I got the stall. So this is their need. I understood their need. After that, again manufacturer से call करना, getting the prints, getting the sample, contacting everywhere. After that sample में shoot करना, then seeing कि if it actually if people are actually liking it and not, then after that ये launch करना.
Nice. And how much of Slade Rope is creativity and how much is structure and planning?
So I would say structure and planning. The whole process is about structure and planning. Creativity comes when I'm designing it, the designs and everything. So creativity का part सबसे ज़्यादा when I'm designing the particular garment उसी time आता है. Structure and planning is like कि the whole process starting from what I have to design to manufacture a sample, फिर आगे जाके उसको launch करना, shoot करना and everything.
Is launching very difficult?
I would say launching isn't difficult, but manufacturer वाला part is very difficult.
So how do you finalize कि ये manufacturer मेरा help कर देगा?
So beginning में I talked to 5 to 6 manufacturers, जिसमें से I finalized one that was according to कि how much I can afford. So उसके according I did it, and उनका sample आया तो I saw sample was really good. I liked the prints and all. तो उसमें में तो फर्स्ट टाइम इट वाज वेरी इजियर, बट अगेन इट वाज कि तुम्हें बल्क में ऑर्डर्स लेने हैं एंड व्हाट इफ आई कुडंट सेल ऑल ऑफ दोस, तो मेरा आई विल गो इन लॉस इजीली. सो एंड आल्सो my family was like it's okay if you go in loss because beginning mein clothing brand mein you'll have to bear the loss. So I was fine with it, and I wouldn't say मेरा first जो मैंने 2 ड्रॉप किए थे उसमें मेरा लॉस एज सच हुआ. I got जितना I spent तो उतना तो हो गया, बट प्रॉब्लम होता है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में. I'm still working on more manufacturers. Like I'm still contacting, finding new manufacturers.
So do you have a background in business? Family background?
Yeah, my mom is a beautician. So and बस मेरी mom ही है beautician, बाकी all everyone works jobs.
Okay. So what part of the process excites you the most?
What part excites? Yes, when I get orders and I deliver it, that part excites me more. Also the shoot part, like shooting, seeing people in my brand clothes and watching them like posting on their social media.
Great. And how did you manage starting Slade Rope alongside your personal and academic commitments?
So I wouldn't say it was really difficult because our academic is actually not very you have to sit and do the lectures. It's like you get some sort of work, do it, and side by side we can do anything we want to. So for me managing it was easier, and also my family supported me a lot in everything, so it was easy.
Nice. And was there a moment when things felt overwhelming or uncertain?
Yeah, so recently, I think for around 2-3 months, I wasn't working on my brand because manufacturer का problem चल रहा था. I couldn't find right manufacturer because मुझे winter का shoot करना था. I wanted to launch winter collection, and उस time पे there were many people who said me कि क्या चल रहा है तेरे brand का, you're not posting anything, you're not launching anything. I was like कि I'll do it because it wasn't in my hand. Agar I get the samples, I would have started shooting easily. But just manufacturers have started talking. There were some problems, I couldn't do it. So there, my maternal uncle, he helped me. He sent me some samples, and I wasn't happy with those samples. So I asked him to send me other samples. Again, there was a lot of delay in delivering. There was something happening in Delhi. फ्लाइट कैंसल्स हो गए थे सब कुछ.
हाँ.
तो उस वजह से मेरा सब कुछ बहुत पोस्टपोन हो गया. उस थिंग में विंटर्स एक्चुअल में निकल गए.
Okay.
So मेरा वो लॉन्च नहीं हो पाया, बट आई वाज लाइक कि ठीक है, I'll see, I'll do it further. So that was the problem.
So now that you are balancing your business and classrooms together, what is that one thing that no classroom could have taught you that this business is teaching you?
So business में I would say classroom doesn't teach anything about business. Business का everything that I've learned is through YouTube or Instagram. जो business those people talk about business and everything. And what one thing that business taught me is working until and unless you like find as a satisfy feel करते हो, and hard working.
Right. And what were the early challenges that you faced while starting Slade Rope apart from the manufacturing thing?
More challenges were I was actually not very sure कि should I start it or not. मतलब what if ये fail हो गया, what if कुछ हो गया. So that what if was very कि हाँ what if हो गया कुछ अलग. So but again I made sure कि why do I even think कि negative कुछ हो सकता है, I can think कि positive हो सकता है.
Right.
So that was one thing. Before starting there was some doubt, but again I started.
Also, did you ever feel or deal with self-doubt or fear of not getting that done?
So I wouldn't say self doubt because I'm not a type of person who would doubt myself. And fear to tha because starting a brand is not very easy. ऐसा I thought कि oh my god क्या ही करना है, I have to contact manufacturer, लाना है, shoot करना है, हो गया. But once I started, I got to know कि it's not easy. ये बोलना easy है, you have to work really hard for it.
And how did you deal with that?
So I started designing. I launched my first design. I saw कि हाँ people are actually liking it. उसके बाद then I started working, and also it was एक चीज था कि in the beginning I was doing कि I was taking samples and posting it, but वो मेरे लिए expensive होता जा रहा था because I had to spend a lot. Then I thought कि I'll just design on what do you ये
Canva.
AI use
Yeah.
करके I'll design and I'll put my design onto the t-shirts and see if it gets good amount of reach, people likes it, so I'll order the sample. So that's how I shifted from I saved thoda money.
Okay. How important has customer feedback been in shaping your business?
So customer feedback is, I'll say, the most important and crucial part. So the hoodies I got, the samples of hoodies I got, I tested it on my friends. So I asked them, how do you feel after wearing it? Though different GSM के थे. As I asked them, I made them wear it. So I felt good कि अच्छा लग रहा था कि yes, they are wearing it. And also जब I had my stall set up, उसमें there was this girl, she came, she saw the t-shirt of Weekend and she remembered, maybe उसको याद आया होगा, उसको कोई friend Weekend का बहुत बड़ा fan है, she immediately called, सुनना यहाँ पे एक t-shirt है, मैं ले लूँ क्या Weekend का, maybe जो भी था, he said कि ले. She came, she bought and she went away. So I was so happy कि अगर आप एक्शन में fan हो तो you like it, you buy it, हो गया.
हाँ.
So that made me really feel good ऐसा.
Nice. And do you remember any other moment from those stalls that actually inspired you the most?
Uh, so yes, my Masi. So she follows Slade Rope. She have seen the collection. So she started getting calls from her relatives and friends society. कि they were also following me on Instagram. So they were also asking कि आप अपनी भांजी को बोल दो कि ये t-shirts भिजवा दे, हमें अच्छा लग रहा है and वो सब. So it was reaching somewhere. So I was feeling कि हाँ लोगों को पता चल रहा है, they are liking it, they are buying it. And there are many people they were asking for gifting their friends too, so that is also a satisfaction I get. Wow.
So you said that you were dealing with other different manufacturers altogether. So how do you maintain the consistency and quality of your products?
So अभी के लिए जो भी pieces I launched, that were the pieces I got from my maternal uncle. I asked him to contact with people, with manufacturers, because it was easy for him because he stays in Delhi. So for him it was easy to contact the manufacturers, and I was like, I knew about the GSM and everything. So I was just letting him know that I want this particular GSM, and after getting the samples I'll check it and see कि कैसा होता है.
Okay. Do you see this brand scaling, evolving, or taking new forms in future?
Yeah, for sure. Like I have bigger plans with this brand. I want this to be a huge brand. I take inspiration from Bonkers Corner, and yes, so I want it
Great.
to be.
How did building Slade Rope changed you as a person?
So having a brand is a proud moment, I would say, because I can say that yeah, I own a brand, I work on it. Like for me it was like I've seen my brother, I've seen my friends working in corporate world, and that's the place I really don't want to go. And that's one thing that also motivated ki I have to work on my brand, and let's see how much I can do with my brand. And yeah, that's it.
What is something you are still learning and unlearning as a founder?
I am still learning is I'm learning everything, I would say, because there are lot of process in building a brand. So from starting from what brand is to selling, learning about clients, what our client needs. I would say I'm learning everything throughout the process. And unlearning is listening to people like criticism, ki your brand won't do good, yeah, something like that. So I'm trying to unlearn ki इनकी बातें नहीं सुननी. I have to focus whatever I want to do.
Great. And lastly, what was your reaction and what was that feeling of launching your first lot?
Okay, so when I received my first sample, I saw it, I wore it, I started crying because it was a overwhelming thing कि खुद ने design किया and then I'm wearing it, then I got shoot done by. तो फिर yeah, it was overwhelming. I felt really good, and my mom was happy, my brother was happy that she's doing it on her own. So
And what role does your friends play in your success?
they play a very huge role. They support me a lot. Shooting में they always keep helping me. Like sample का भी जब problem हुआ तो they were like कि why are you crying and everything. You should feel good कि you're at least doing it. So they were always supportive. Everyone in my life is really supportive for me.
Great. Thank you so much for sharing your story
Thank
with
you.
us. And it's simply like you can do anything when your friends and family are backing you. Thank
Thank
you.
you.